So you own a Bosch dishwasher, and you may be wondering how to best utilize all the amazing things that it can do. In this video, we're going to talk about Rackmatic and how it can improve loading your Bosch dishwasher. The innovative Rackmatic system on Bosch dishwashers adjusts to 9 different positions for the ultimate flexible loading experience. Simply hold both sides of the upper rack and press the levers that can be found on either side to adjust the rack downward. You can easily raise and lower each side independently to accommodate larger items placed in the lower rack, like the sheet pan, for example. Or create extra space in the top rack for taller items, like the stemware. Once you've adjusted the Rackmatic system to your precise needs, make sure nothing is obstructing the spray arm by giving it a gentle spin. If it can rotate freely, you are ready to hit start and let your Bosch dishwasher get to work.